Welcome to our Computer Science MCQ series. Whether you're studying for exams or just love tech, this series will challenge and expand your knowledge. Let's dive in and test your skills. What is the purpose of memory interleaving in computer systems? A. To increase memory capacity. B. To reduce memory latency. C. To increase memory reliability. D. To enable multitasking. Answer B. To reduce memory latency. Which type of memory is used for high-speed buffering in processors? A. Flash memory. B. EEPROM. C. Cache memory. D. DRAM. Answer C. Cache memory. Memory is referred to as volatile. A. Hard disk. B. ROM. C. RAM. D. Flash memory. Answer C. RAM. Shortcut keys for MS Word. File operations, Control N, create a new document, Control O, open an existing document, Control S, save the current document, Control P, print the document, Alt F4, close the document or application. Text formatting, Control B, bold selected text, Control I, italicize selected text, Control U, underline selected text, Control Shift, increase font. Text navigation and editing, Control A, select the entire document, Control X, cut selected text, Control C, copy selected text, Control V, paste copied text, Control Z, undo the last action, Control Y, redo the last action. Find and replace, Control F, open the Find dialog box, Control H, open the Replace dialog box. Paragraph alignment, Control E, center align text, Control L, left align text, Control R, right align text, Control J, justify text. That wraps up today's computer science MCQ session. Great job to everyone who participated. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQs. See you next time.